Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 26, 2023. 5 star Sudoku. Column H, column I, and second grade we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column D we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Third row, fourth row, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 4. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Ninth grade and fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 5th row, then 3rd grade, we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 2. Column F, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 9th row and 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 5. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 6th grade, column F, column B, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column B, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row and second grid, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, column G we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9, column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th grid, 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, column B we have 1, 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, 8th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column G and 5th grid, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 4th grid, column C, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 5, 6th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 6th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 6th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 6th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 6th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.